Okay, today guys, I am gonna look for an air conditioning specialist for a Mitsubishi Adventure. This is my sister's utility van and model 2010. It now has 209,000 kilometers on it. Problem is, every time we turn on the air conditioning system, the compressor doesn't engage. So it doesn't get any colder. When I turn this on, it does have fan. Turn on the thermostat or the compressor, and it's not getting any changes, or it's not getting cold. I'm gonna look for an air conditioning mechanic, and let's see what are the findings. Maybe we need to change compressor, or I don't know. I don't really have idea. I'm hoping it's just a problem with freon. May need cleaning or charging, but I'll let you know what are the findings. Alright guys, andito na tayo sa may ligaya kay kala Lolo Frank. So sabi ni Kuya, wala lang daw freon. There's no freon on the compressor. So pressure activated to, no Kuya? Pressure gauge. Pag walang freon, hindi mag-engage yung compressor.
Aircon.
So ang gagawin niya, lilinisin niya lang leak test, then vacuum. Umuulan na. Vacuum, tapos freon charging. Then meron din X-trail dito sa kabila. May isang X-trail. Tingnan natin kung lalamig mamaya. Malas, umuulan. So kinargahan na nila ng frio. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. Right, so problema tapos na. Issue resolved guys. So malamig na aircon. And damage is 1,200. Wala lang daw siyang freon. There's no freon on the air conditioning system. So pressure actuated daw yung compressor. Pag walang freon, if there's no freon, the compressor won't engage. So yun ang sabi ng mekaniko. So there's a small leak. Hindi nila makita kung nasaan. Wala sa engine bay. So most likely nasa cooling coil. Kundi dyan nasa secondary evaporator or cooling coil, kung saan man doon. But under observation. So pag bukas or after few weeks nawalan ng lamig, then balik tayo dito. Hanapin nila yung leak. Then papalitan ng tube. So it's not a problem on the compressor. So mas okay yun. So at least mura lang na gastos. At sobrang lamig na niya, mga sirs. Naka-low lang yan. So nag-engage na siya. Pag pinatay, binabaan ko, mag-on and off siya. Ayun, naka-on. So automatic na yung compressor niya, on and off. Giniginaw na ako. Inulan pa ako dito. So yan lang, gusto ko lang share kung ano yung nangyari. 1, 2, reasonable na yung price kasi dual aircon yung Adventure eh. So sa may ano sila, no, Santolan, Ligaya, near Ayala Feliz, Jollibee. Okay dito gumawa kasi dati nagpa-check up ako dito. Pinukpok lang namin yung sa may blower, gumana na yung fan ko. Then binabayaran ko, wala daw bayad yun. Diba? Ayos, oh, may tutunan tayong bago dun. Pukpok lang, gumana na. So yan lang muna guys. At uwi na ako. Woohoo! Andito ata ang address. Ayun o, Amang Rodriguez pala, Santolan, Pasig. Contact number yan. Pumayag naman si Kuya Frank na upload ko raw to sa video. See you next time guys. Adios.